The TSW extension identifies a Train Sim World save game file containing gameplay progress and session data from the Train Sim World simulation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage backup or troubleshoot these simulation save files. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single robust TSW file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. TSW files are save game files for Train Sim World by Dovetail Games, storing gameplay session data, including train positions, timetable progress, scenario, completion, and player settings for the train driving simulation game. Train Sim World TSW save files use a proprietary format storing game state data, including locomotive positions, consist configurations, signal states, weather conditions, time of day settings, and scenario progress markers for session restoration. The optimal viewer for the TSW format is generally considered to be Train Sim World from Dovetail Games. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for execution. Windows cannot display scripting or binary game data, so proper handling requires the original engine. Open the menu by right-clicking your TSW file and choosing Open With. Try Train Sim World first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is crucial for troubleshooting. When your TSW file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, locating save files. Find TSW save files in the game's save directory, typically at %localapp.dat or %sat Train Sim World, or within the Steam user data directory under the game's application. ID. Save files are organized by scenario and session for easy identification. Next, restoring saves. Copy backup TSW files to the game's save directory to restore previous gameplay sessions. Launch Train Sim World and load the restored save from the Continue or Load menu. Verify the save loads correctly and all train positions and progress are intact. Finally, backing up progress. Regularly copy TSW save files to an external backup location before game updates or system changes. Back up the entire save directory to preserve all scenario progress. Create timestamped backup folders for easy identification of save file versions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.